Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete a Facebook story. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply open the profile, and here you can see this type of interface. So you can just simply click on the profile picture, and here you can now tap on view story, and after this you can just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can see the fourth option, that is delete photo. Tap on it, and now you can confirm to delete the story. Tap on delete, and after a few seconds of loading, the story will be deleted on your Facebook. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.